We are doing a lot of new things at Mercedes, and a lot of things that even go beyond new cars. And I share his excitement for the new C-Class long wheelbase. 4 years ago, this car totally elevated our brand's performance here in China. In fact, last March was the best-selling month for Mercedes ever. It helped to make the first quarter of 2018 the best-selling quarter in our history, 132 years to be exact, with a total of more than 590,000 vehicles handed over to our customers. Our sales in China went up by another 16% in the first quarter, making Mercedes the most successful premium brand in China. And for us, it remains our single largest market. We know our customers in China appreciate extra space and legroom in the rear compartment. It's most often a meeting point for the entire family. And I can hardly think of a more comfortable and more secure venue to bring your loved ones together than in a Mercedes-Benz. With our new Mercedes A-Class Sedan long wheelbase version, we are now adding yet another inviting and attractive place together. There are many reasons why our A-Class has been an important game changer for Mercedes, and why it's been attracting new and younger customers to our brand here in China and all over the world. We believe this new and extra roomy version of the A-Class will strongly build on this tradition by bringing in the latest high-tech in connectivity, comfort, and driver assistance. We are convinced this car has all it takes to attract the young and digital generation of customers in China. And if high-tech's not enough, its dynamic appearance and design will do the trick. Of course, China is one main reason why we are growing on a global basis in the first quarter 6%, and that is less surprising, maintaining, even widening our lead versus the other premium manufacturers.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world of Mercedes-Maybach is a world of exclusivity, sophisticated specifications, and utmost perfection. In other words, Maybach stands for ultimate luxury. And our designers had an unusual idea. They wanted to blend the elegance of a sedan with the strong statement of an SUV, combining the two most successful body types in China and worldwide. The interior is reminiscent of the traditional Chinese home with the special seats for honored guests. And it features an exciting contrast between high-level sportiness and luxurious spaciousness. It is a synergy of contemporary design and great ergonomics, using only the best materials such as leather, wood, and metal. And you will find very specific Chinese touches, such as a magnolia flower to greet your guests and the handmade white porcelain tea set in the rear center console. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a car like no other. Our Vision Maybach Ultimate Luxury. China offers fascination both in the compact premium sphere as well as in the top luxury segment. Again here, for us, China is the biggest Maybach market in the world. If you look at the Maybach S-Class sales, 60% of Maybach sales go to China. So we came up with our local advanced design center here in Beijing to combine the two most fascinating and most important market segments, sedan and SUV, and bring together a new vision of car, the Maybach Ultimate Luxury Vision, which blends the advantages of these two segments. And you will find some very specific Chinese features, beautiful backspace for distinguished guests, handmade porcelain for the tea ceremony, which we offer in this car, so some very distinct Chinese features.